Several roadways in southeast Missouri will be closed this week for repair. The Missouri Department of Transportation is closing these roadways throughout the area for numerous reasons, including pipe replacement and brush cutting and tree trimming. Now, you can go to our website, kdkz18.com, for a complete list of road closures. Work zones will be marked with signs, and motorists are urged to use extreme caution while traveling near the closures. Well, now Dustin Kopp was here with a look at our first forecast, and Dustin, Punxsutawney Phil is predicting an early spring. What do you think?